I don't think this is going to work. Yeah. Alright. Alright, welcome to our first video here at Game Snobs. I'm Cloud, and this is Micah. He's going to be helping me out with my personal PC build today. I went with the ROG Maximus Hero as my motherboard. I went with the i9-9900K for my CPU. And for the GPU, I went with the 2080 Ti Founders Edition. And then I got the Trident Z Royal 16 gig 4400 megahertz for my RAM. And then for the power supply, I went with the Platinum 1050 watt Thermaltake. And then I got for my AIO the Castle 240EX. And then for the SSD, I went with the 970 EVO from Samsung, the DarkFlash case. It's glass on all four sides. It has the four RGB fans in the front, the two RGB fans in the back, just for that extra airflow.
It's gonna be a pretty badass build.
Yeah, here at Game Snobs, we always go for the snobbiest build, so we want to try to get the best parts and make the best gaming PCs that we can make for you guys.
Well, I guess let's get to it.
Let's get started.
Did it.
Alright, so now that we got everything unboxed here, after fighting everything,
Had a little trouble.
This is our first time doing this. So we're going to go ahead and install the i9-9900K into the motherboard. Alright, so now that we got the CPU installed, we're going to go ahead and put in the RAM and then the SSD, and then we're going to get this sucker in the case.
Let's get it.
Alright, so now that we got the motherboard installed into the case, we're going to go ahead and put the GPU in. We'll see you guys in a second. So we just got everything installed into the case here, and we're gonna go ahead and install the Castle AIO into the top here. Alright, so we got everything hooked up. It's the moment of truth, guys. We're gonna go ahead and turn the power on. Shout out to Micah Rotten for helping this build.
We didn't test anything first, so this will be fine. Good start. That's a better sign. Oh, that's a great sign.
Looks like it does.
It did post, otherwise it wouldn't come up as bright.
And we're in
Sweet.
BIOS.
Wow.
Everything is good to go. I appreciate you guys tuning in. We'll get some more videos in the future. We're gonna put Windows on this thing. We'll see you guys later.
Bye-bye.